to like a wait, I don't really miss vlog videos. Insight to come in and do a review. How many fans we have. I know there's a lot of people that probably just watch my videos so they can enjoy it. And if you guys like these videos, honestly, it's actually pretty nice. It's really, but like I said, I haven't. Cheers. Say he would pick him up himself, so it's cool to see somebody who started to say that. You know, I got a 20 to 30 minute long video, depending on every survival equipment in that goddamn backpack possible. I do gotta finish this video up. Yeah, but there you have it. Nice. So like 3.5 minutes, almost 4, I guess. If you don't, then you get all bloated. Yeah. All right.
Got more beer.
Half minute. That is pretty impressive. The guys are gonna like that.
I just dunked it. What is it? Edward 40 hands?
No, you would know. We're not doing too bad. There you go.
Woo. Got my fish in here.
How you feeling?
Woo!
I was gonna say I just have so much.
Yeah, so much. That's
So
why
much built up.
That's why I burped like 3 or 4 times. Yeah, I let all.
Yours was in the ice. Mine was all on the.
We'll make sure we put them in the freezer for nice and cold, and then we'll chug them. See if I can do 2 in like 10 minutes. 2 in like 6 minutes. If I do 2 in 6 minutes, I'll be proud. Wow. This video is filled with burps.
It's first time I'm doing St. Ides. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. A minute and a half before the time.
Couldn't even start a timer. Well, we started it, you know.
Made the table a little closer. I can't. Hey, this is like cool. This is like drinking a Miller.
Yeah, I should have just gotten a 45, but I was better than anything malt liquor. Said steak. So like,
I'm gonna start some. What's it called? Alcohol.
Yeah, you did fuck up again.
Nobody told you to get OD again, so you have nobody to blame. What's the time?
It's a funny lose this challenge.
You're still finishing those.
You got a stronger beer than you. It's not a beer, it's malt liquor. It's a little bit different.
Malt liquor.
What's your fault?
Specifically said you should get.
I get demonetized. Isn't that stupid? It's like just regular videos I grew up in like 10 minutes because I 2 minutes in. Is that never anybody walk by? Oh shit. Oh. Ooh. Like fishing.